Okay, look at this. This is a little chalet in Aspen. Oh, look at that. 2 bedrooms. Beds. Nice. I like it. Look at this view. This is a very nice view. Yeah, look at this.
Are you serious?
Very nice.
We have 2 freaking bedrooms.
Okay, it's a lot of very wealthy people here. Get this. Got a little kitchen in here. This is a little chalet in Denver. Wait, is there? I mean, Aspen. Look at this. Is another room. Holy crap. Let me see the lights in here. Wow. Very nice. We're not going to be here very long. We're here temporarily. I actually have to work here for a bit, but that's fine. Nice, new, different locations. It's really cool to be able to just work from home from anywhere and everything. It's one of the great benefits, views like that. Very nice, very nice.